What was the question again?
What was the question again?
Okay.
Oh,
Who's it to?
I'm reading the back.
Yeah, read who's it to.
Oh, Hong Kong.
Japan.
It is. It says.
I don't know, open it up.
Open it up. It is.
I'm so smart.
Oh yeah, China.
So what are you gonna try first? Grab a plate and we'll pick one out.
These.
Yeah, grab a plate.
Everyone gets a little plate.
No, just grab one plate, we'll dump it out
I
and
want
eat
the
it off of
wrappers
it.
afterwards.
Yep, that works. Here. Ooh, spicy.
They strong in Japan.
No, don't break it like that.
Olivia, put it
Here.
Hold on, I want to take a picture of this.
Put it.
Really? You gotta break the plate, silly boy.
It's puppies.
Sit down.
No, I am. Yeah. Not my mom.
Well, your mom's not here, so she is pretending to be.
Quit.
Oh, they're just
Oh,
barbecue
They
chips?
look like barbecue chips.
Wait, they're supposed to be spicy hot.
Okay.
Super spicy. I hope Jackson's mouth burns.
No.
They're barbecue chops with a lot of spice.
Yeah.
Kind of good. Except for, hey, Olivia, can you get us some water?
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to take a picture. Let me take a picture. What the heck is this?
Just barbecue.
Graceland, move your hands.
Super spicy.
What the heck?
I don't know if this is,
They're not super spicy.
says the one who spit it out and ran for water
I
and
didn't
ice.
spit it out.
You did too. Threw it back on the plate.
No, I didn't. It was
And
in
then
my
you
mouth.
went and got ice.
I feel like that's not.
It was in my mouth. Don't even.
I don't
And
like
I did
those.
eat one.
We gotta let your dad try that. Isn't that his favorite?
Okay, next
Have your
one.
mom try some.
What are these?
I don't know. Read it.
I can't read it.
Bye-bye. Want crackers. Don't, hey, share.
Pour all of it on the plate, yeah. Are they good?
It's like caramel corn, but not super caramely.
Oh, yeah.
These crispy fried rice cracker balls are coated with slightly sweet and spicy seasoning, making them the perfect afternoon snack. You know, we really should have did this last, because it's really getting into the flavor of,
Yeah. Have everything.
like, I don't feel any spicy out of this.
Yeah.
But they are kind of good.
Uh-huh.
You try one, Olivia? Olivia, you were super
Is
psyched
this
here.
spicy?
Sweet and spicy seasoning.
I think she's waiting for the 1 point.
Okay, next one.
I kind of like this. Why am I
We
sharing?
do the tasty ones at the end. We do the gross ones first. Olivia, did you try a? Yeah. Here, scooch. I want you on this side of me.
These snacks are expired.
I don't even know what these look
No, they're
like.
not.
No. Oh, just kidding.
Oh,
You got a big plate. What's this one?
they are roller coaster minis. Extreme
Roller coaster
barbecue
wings.
flavor. Why is there so many barbecue
If
hot
you're looking
things?
for a wild ride, jam-packed with flavor, these crunchy potato rings are for you. This snack is dusted with savory barbecue seasoning to keep you coming back for more.
Ugh.
It's a mix between these two.
Ugh.
I'll tell you that much.
Ew.
Kind of like a Frito, barbecue Frito.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try those.
Gross ones.
It's got fruit,
Well,
strawberries. And
Ninja
potato.
Gummy Cola. Ah.
Oh, this is kind of cool. Pop, and then you peel it open.
I kind of like
Is
these.
that like a popcorn?
No,
What is it? Oh, pop.
this is actually a very convenient lid. I like that.
Pratt's roast biscuits.
Pretzels.
Instantly recognizable
you want a
biscuit
Pretz?
sticks are buttery, slightly sweet, and have the perfect snap.
Ooh.
Put this one in your bag for the perfect afternoon snack.
Ooh, that's good.
This one doesn't exist.
Yeah,
Disappeared.
into my bag.
Very good.
Can we have the gummy cola now? Ew.
No.
Olivia, try one of these. They are good.
Olivia, we might need another plate for the actual.
Get a paper plate.
Yeah.
What is it?
Definitely want to make this recipe.
What is it?
It's good.
Pretzels. Right there. Garbage. Wait, is that the whatchamacallit? Where's the plate Jackson grabbed?
Did you grab a plate? I think she got lost.
Jackson, plate.
It's like this.
Yeah. No, paper plate.
There's no more paper plates.
Alright, grab us a big plate.
There's no more paper plates.
These are good.
Okay, we're doing this one because I spiked Jackson.
Ah.
Wait, does that have to be like one of those videos? YouTube videos?
Yes.
So this is the Rabena gummies.
Mihai
get
gummy
their, like-
choco.
No, these are different. Gosh dang it, Becky. Oh, they smell like fruit.
Oh,
snacks.
mixed berry pastels.
Yeah.
Soft pastels have a vibrant berry flavor that floods your mouth with fruity delight. Made with real black currant juice.
They
This
taste
snack's
like vitamins.
tasty
So
and a source of vitamin C.
How's potato chips? Oh, well, yeah, they're not spicy. Not that much spice.
Said the one who ate one, spit it out, and ran and got ice.
I didn't spit it
Not
out.
very spicy.
I didn't spit it out.
A lot
Ooh,
of sugar.
I kind of like that flavor. Minus the million bits of
It
sugar.
tastes like vitamins.
Olivia, try one of these. Olivia.
She's in her own game.
Olivia, try that. I split it over to you. What happened to all the decent packaging? Oh, here it is.
Can I have another one?
Here you go, Becky.
You gotta come over here
Think
and get
of
one.
gummy soda.
Ooh, it really
Ninja
smells like
Gummy
soda.
Cola. Not your average gummy. Unique candy has a semi-hard shell surrounding a soft, sparkling cola-flavored center. This ninja is all business when it comes to flavor.
Can I have some?
Get over here and try.
Oh, that does not look good.
Satisfaction. Is it like gum?
Did you get me
Oh,
one? Nobody's gonna let me try?
come try. Jackson, pick your ice up.
Try it.
No, what is it?
That's flaming hot. That's barbecue.
Ew.
That's kind of caramely. Sweet and
This?
sour.
Ugh.
Sweet and
Looks
sour.
like a. It looks like a potato, like a hash brown. Piece of
Sweet
hash
and
brown.
sour.
That is.
This is like Coca-Cola.
Uh-huh.
And these are like vitamins.
Is that the thing? Can I see
Yeah.
it? Which one is the one I just had? That one was not bad. I don't know what it was.
What's that? Cherry cola.
Oh, want crackers. Want. That wasn't bad. Alright, so what, Hell's potato chips? I don't need to try. That's Hell's potato chips?
Yeah.
That's what it's
Try
called.
it.
No.
Jeez, no wonder.
What's
Chicken.
this one?
Fritos. Want.
Okay, Becky, we have mini
Roller
cream
coaster
wafers.
rings.
Mini wafers.
Mini cream wafers.
This Japanese
Oh.
food isn't as good as
Oh, no, those are not good.
Yeah.
What?
Oh! I was like, oh, I'm gonna take more, and then I got aftertaste. That's not
Yeah, the
good.
aftertaste sucks, but
Oh, that's bad.
I really like these.
What is that though?
The roller coasters.
Yeah, like,
You got the paper.
no, what is the aftertaste?
yeah, it's bad after
It's like you taste barbecue, and then after, it's like somebody squirted ketchup in your mouth or something. That's gross. Okay, so what's that one?
Dude, how do people get these out of the packaging? I'm trying not
Some
to break
people
them.
actually use. That is the Ninja.
Ninja Gummy Cola. Semi-hard.
I thought it was
shell,
actually gonna be like
soft,
a
sparkly.
cola like gummy in a bottle.
Oh, like the old school things.
Eat it.
Yeah.
Just eat it. Keep eating. It'll take a minute. It takes a minute.
I think Reese needs scissors.
That took me forever.
Okay, grab a chair, boy.
We took mine.
Oh, you're too big. You're not
I
little
can't.
anymore.
I can't.
Olivia, where'd you put it?
My grandma's perfume.
A little bun. Give it right now.
My grandma had a perfume.
Yeah, I
Just
did.
like that.
A perfume just like the
Yeah.
ninja.
Yeah.
Yeah, wasn't that great?
These are the strawberry wafers.
This one's
Very
good?
nice.
Not overly powdered on flavor at all.
Okay, next one.
Alright.
Try the wafer.
This one's good.
I know, it tasted like a
1 out of 5.
vitamin.
Oh, 1 out of 5 that you tried?
What are those?
I don't know. I like the rings in them.
No. Did you taste the rings? These
Yeah.
rings?
Yeah,
those
those ones aren't bad compared to the other things.
Maybe
I
you
didn't
need
think
to
this one
try
was bad.
Yeah, that
try
one
some
was
of this
That
first
looks
and
like
then
that.
that. Hey, don't dump it all out.
The chocolate strawberry.
I was kind of hoping
They're
for
like
some lunch.
duds. Reese, they're like duds.
What do we got?
Duds.
Chocolate strawberry
What I eat? then?
Mentos is what they look like.
I don't know what I ate.
Okay, your mom took the thing for me to translate.
Oh, high chew peach. That's what I like.
No, we haven't had haichu yet.
Yeah, this one.
No, that's
Wait, why don't
That's
I
high
get
chew
one?
peach.
no. The
Oh, you can
haichu's
have
still in there. That is this one.
What are these? Can you read this?
Mixed berry pastelis.
Read the strawberry one.
You're not touching me. He gummy choco.
This is what Scots make.
Sweet and chewy, bite-sized strawberry gummies coated in a layer of rich milk chocolate. Think of this snack
it
like
like
a
gelatin?
chocolate-coated
I
raisin
kind of want Chinese now.
cooler older cousin.
Guys, look at me. Look at me.
I don't
You
taste.
cannot make yourself out to be any more miserable.
I don't taste any strawberry in that.
Really? Becky doesn't believe in anything.
Next one on the list
Don't grab
is.
the ones that are loaded with chocolate.
I don't trust Becky.
Is haichu like a gum? Check, please.
You know what haichu is? You don't know what haichu
What
is?
is haichu?
What's this?
Jamie, what's haichu? It's the candy that we have.
What's this one?
I know we have it, but is it like a gum? I forget. I'm
No.
stupid.
What is this? Is this like
It's
a raisin inside?
No, it's strawberry filled,
What is
but
this?
it's
What is
kind of
this?
like gummy.
It's a haichu.
What's a haichu?
Kind of like a chocolate
candy.
covered gummy.
You want me to try and open some of these?
No.
I mean, these aren't bad.
Give me scissors!
Please.
Jeez Louise.
Well, Becky's just standing here watching me suffer instead of
Well,
actually
I'm trying to take it from you so I can open it for you, but you won't let anybody help.
I don't know where you take all my scissors, but
There's a knife. Reese, there's a knife.
I don't need it, man.
It's a knife.
So it is like a gum.
No, it's like a gummy candy. It's good for when you're on the airplanes to keep your ears from getting popped.
Like Mentos.
what is, oh, you opened all these? What's this one? You ate all these without me?
Gosh dang it,
Here.
Jackson picked that up.
Oh, it's just a pretzel. Is it hot?
No.
It's just a pretzel?
Mom,
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, they're like mint.
Jackson. It's peach flavored.
It's a haichu.
What
Oh,
are
it's two of them. I just want to take a picture.
What are these?
This one's from Japan.
That does not taste like peach flavored haichu.
What does it taste like?
Go ahead and try it.
I'm scared.
It tastes awesome.
That's good.
I have another.
Ugh,
You didn't even try it.
I licked it.
You can't get a flavor from licking a haichu. All you get is air.
Is it gum? Is it gum?
Another what?
What one were you giving us? What is this?
A haichu.
It's just like taffy?
Yeah, it's a haichu.
That's
I
good.
don't think
yeah.
you had a high chew.
It's good.
Do not had a high chew. They don't make them here.
Yes, they do. Restore the packaging for high chews.
I want another one.
They don't make them here.
Not the peach, but we have strawberry, lemon.
No.
No.
I want another one.
Go
They're
right
good.
down the road to Dollar General. It's right there.
I'm gonna go see if they got them.
That's good.
Is this more of that high
It
chew?
says right
This
here.
is what we need
Becky,
to get
what
for
is it?
Christmas. Don't let me forget, because I'm gonna order these again.
Becky, what is this?
Like the big boxes, you get them all year.
Jackson,
Oh,
Mom.
they're good.
what is
What's
this?
that?
This one is the Shimu Pucho stick. No, yeah. That looks kind of like a high chew.
Oh, I
This
thought
soft
these
It
were-
yogurt-based
tastes like a
candy
high-
is loaded with bits of chewy grape-flavored gummies. Each bite yields a fruity surprise.
Well, it splits apart. Mom, try it.
I like this.
After Jackson just spit it out in the trash can.
It's the aftertaste on that.
Yeah, Jackson's
That's
like
great.
not. I mean, the boy only eats what, mac and cheese or what?
Yeah, Mom, what's that? Make this mac and cheese. It's good. Make mac and cheese for dinner, Mom.
Olivia's gonna make it.
This
Me
is
and Daddy
really
are
good.
going out to dinner.
I like these ones.
Where are you guys going out to dinner?
Last is the
Where are you guys
marshmallow.
going out to dinner to?
You want me to tag you on this, Becky?
Or Jackson.
This, what is it?
Marshmallow.
What's marshmallow?
4 C's Daifuku.
Daifuku.
That's chocolate in the middle.
Is that China or Japan or what? What is this?
Hong Kong.
Mom, try this.
What is this one? Is this gum?
No, it's a high chew's cousin.
Oh, it's another one? Ew, no. Ooh. What is
It
that?
looks
It
disgusting.
looks like poop. Why did you picture that? I'm gonna post it in
It's
the
a
comments.
marshmallow with Nutella, pretty much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture of it though so I can add it to the comments
Ooh, do I want this?
later.
Fresh take on the traditional Japanese wagashi. Soft marshmallow snack. It has a creamy
Wagashi?
chocolate, filling that spills out
I
with
like
every
these.
bite.
These are good.
Oh, that
What?
was really good.
Yeah.
That's everything? What's your favorites?
There was no lasagna with this one, Becky. They really ripped you off.
Becky, you're gonna cry.
No.
Either the pretzels.
These are good.
Yeah, but they
For a
just
pretzel.
they taste like a regular nice buttery
No, they
pretzel
taste,
though.
Yeah. They taste better than pretzel.
I like
I wasn't gonna try it because I thought it was pretzel tonight.
I like these, but I think they taste better after you have Hell's chips. Fruit snacks are the best. These really don't have much
I
flavor.
like the pretzels and the chocolate strawberry
What are you guys
things.
going out to eat for?
I like
You know
the
what's
sugar.
probably good?
I don't know.
This.
I like these. These
I don't
were
know.
really good in my opinion.
Bring me back food.
This, Becky.
Bring me back food that I would like that. Bring me back
What'd you like, Olivia?
I already told you I really like these.
Mom?
Well, everybody likes the gummies.
If you can read that.
These just don't have as much flavor.
Need
What
what?
was this?
Need what? Need
Oh,
what?
this is a barbecue.
Need what?
No, that one was the roller coaster. Yeah.
Oh, these are the rings that taste like crap.
Oh, this means this is
This isn't bad. I like this.
They're not a strong flavor though.
What's this?
That's the want crackers.
Yeah, I want crackers.